Hello, this is the Tradesight Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 3rd of November, 2015. Hope you had a good trading day. We certainly did on Monday. 5 of 5 on our stock picks that triggered with market directional support. And it was just a solid day all around. Futures had some nice opening range plays, and everything was good. Even though the market didn't look too exciting early, it had an upward bias, but then the afternoon did push higher. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract daily chart. We finally got a close above where the sell-off began in August. It's the first time we closed there, right at the 100% retracement of that closing day before the drop started in August. So we have recovered it all like it didn't even exist. Let's take a look at the S&P cash up 24. Excuse me. NASDAQ 100 new closing highs for the index at 4,703.91. That's up 55 points on that one. By the way, the ES I'll show you, or the S&P left a gap. The NASDAQ side did not for the session today. SOX back up just 6 points, but the biotechs had a nice surge up 131 points, starting to recover nicely as well. Still not back to where they were in August. The VIX lost 92 cents at 14.15. Crude oil closed at 46.15. That's down 45 cents. The trend closed at 0.88. The 10-day trend moving average is now 1.13, which doesn't give us any real information. NASDAQ volume closed at 1.7 billion shares, just above it, which is okay for a Monday to start the week, and it was a good Monday for us. Hopefully volume continues to increase throughout the week, and that will be good. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 1719. That's really positive, one of the top breadth days of the year. And on the New York plus 1965, also very positive. Google closed up 10 points and change for the session to a new closing high on Google. Apple, I should say Alphabet, not Google, right? Apple closing up $1.68. That is not new closing highs by any stretch. Apple's had really a flat year. It's barely up. It's barely even since February's action at this point in time. Amazon also up $2.45. Netflix lost 74 cents, but still holding fairly strong. All right, let's take a look at the ES in 5-minute candles so we can see what the day did. You can see there's a little gap up after the sell-off Friday, late in the day, just in the last 10, 15 minutes there. Gapped up from that and just kind of kept pushing, never went back. Got up near Friday's high, though, and sat there all the way into lunch. So the morning didn't look as exciting as the day ended up being. And then we started climbing after that and just kept going. There's the NASDAQ side, on the other hand, which did not gap, and so there's no gap to fill there. But this, again, just started climbing right in the middle of lunch, basically. We had a 13 Comer sell signal, or exhaustion signal, I should say, and used that risk line for a while. That's the pink dashed line there that you can see. But finally, right after lunch, broke that too, and that's when the run started. So that's perfect technical action from that perspective. All right, what do we have for the next day here to focus on? Not so much on Tuesday. We've got factory orders an hour or 30 minutes into the market, and then auto and truck sales in the afternoon. So it should be a straightforward trading day. We do have a lot more stuff on Wednesday, including trade balance, ISM services, ADP employment change. So Wednesday and Thursday could be really interesting days, I think. But Tuesday, hopefully, will be a little just as interesting or more than what we saw Monday. I would take, boy, if you had 5 days like Monday every week, you'd be a super happy person from a trading perspective. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you have not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. Our 6-month stock mentorship program now comes with a money-back guarantee. You can find details on our website. And we will be in the lab helping you out. If you have not taken a trial of our services, we can help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading session on Tuesday.